The number of flying insects in Germany has plummeted 75% in the past 25 years, according to a study that suggests we are approaching an ecological Armageddon. The implications for humanity are profound, with insects providing an essential role for life on Earth as pollinators of plants and prey for larger animals. Although it was known species such as bees and butterflies were declining, scientists were left shocked at the drop in numbers across nature reserves in Germany. While no single cause was identified, the widespread destruction of wild areas for agriculture and the use of pesticides are considered likely factors. Climate change was also cited as playing a potential role. Dave-Goulson, a professor at the University of Sussex and the study's co-author, said insects make up about 2/3 of all life on Earth, but there has been some kind of horrific decline. We appear to be making vast tracts of land inhospitable to most forms of life, and are currently on course for ecological Armageddon. If we lose the insects, then everything is going to collapse. Entomologists across Germany have compared the weight of insects caught in large traps to samples taken in 1989, with an average loss of 76% recorded. The decline was even starker in summer when insect numbers are at their highest, with a loss of 82%. The fact that the number of flying insects is decreasing at such a high rate in such a large area is an alarming discovery, said Hans-de-Kroon, an ecologist at Radboud-University who led the new research. Scientists believe the fact the declines were recorded in well-managed nature reserves makes the results even more troubling, as numbers outside them, where wildlife has less or no protection, are likely to be even worse. Professor Goulson said a possible explanation would be insects dying when they fly out of nature reserves into farmland with very little to offer for any wild creature. A UN report in March warned that pesticides, which were aggressively promoted by chemical industries, were found to have catastrophic impacts on the environment, human health and society as a whole. It said the idea that they were necessary to feed the world's growing population was inaccurate and misleading. The study into insect decline was published in the journal PLOS ONE. Tom Embry Dennis, The Independent.